Hi, I'm Bryson Lehman, Product Manager here at MacLean Engineering. Behind me today we have two of our value package machines, so a scissor truck and a boom truck. These machines are a pre-configured set of options on these machines that we give back to the customer at a discount. So these machines are constantly coming through the factory and sitting in stock ready to go. So some of the options we have on our boom truck here, we have our upgraded MacLean MindMate crane. We have the enclosed cab option with heat and AC. We have some jack interlocks in there as well to make sure you don't drive away with your jacks down. Standard 8x12 deck on the back here. So on the scissor truck here, some of the options on this are jack upgrades, so you can level yourself off on 15% ramp. We have side shift for the deck to go side to side to increase your range of motion. We have third gear lockout, we have fire suppression, fire extinguisher, all standard on this value package machine. For more information on these machines, don't hesitate to reach out to us at MacLean Engineering.